Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan, and good morning everyone. Today very special day because today is International Scientific Manuscript Championship or ISMAC 2024 in the conference and paper presentation. Today in the strategic integration of the technology shaping future perspective in science, economic, law, and education. First thing first, the Honorable for sure Miss Maida Rahmawati MM MHM PhD as the head of Mitra Visi Persada Foundation. Thank you for having me. And the Honorable, the oldest speaker, Dr. Makaryogi Jayeta from Toy Toy College, Philippines. And then the Honorable Dr. Doni Kusuma MPD from University Kristen Satya Wacana, Indonesia. And then the Honorable for sure, Miss Kiki Kurniawati SPD from Curriculum Coordinator and English Teacher. The Honorable Dr. Fibri Jatinugroho from Sekolah Tinggi Teologi Sangkakala, and then Miss Tri Octaviani Mandasari SSES MVP Foundation, and all for the ladies and gentlemen. Okay, today the first thing I want to introduce myself. Advocate Dr. Tina Amelia SH MH CLA CPCD. I'm advocate or lawyer, and then as a lecturer from University of Borobudur. And today, very special day in this moment, I will present my paper about the strategic integration of technology, shaping future perspective in science, economic, law, and education. But in this morning, especially because I'm from Faculty of Law and as a lawyer and as a lecturer from Faculty of Law and Pasca Sarjana of Law, so I will talking about strategy integration of technology more uh, in a law perspective. Next. Okay, talking about technology integration is the process of incorporating new and emerging technology in various aspects of an organization about the life, business, operation to improve efficiency, productivity, and innovation. Today's we're talking about technology is really something different because the key component of the technology integration are process automation, about the digital transformation, connectivity, data analysis, innovation, and development. The institution without the technology integration will be nothing today's. And talking about benefit of integration, it's a many benefit. The first about the operational efficiency. So we can integrate our business, our life, with the operation from the technology, and then increase productivity because with a short time we can produce a lot of things about the product, even services. And then the access to information, it's make it easier to in technology integration. And then the better collaboration, such as today we can connect with Philippines, with a lot of different university because any collaboration with technology integration make it easier. And then continuously innovation. Okay, next. Okay, about the strategic integration of technology. Is it a lot of strategic, but I have the key words about the strategic integration that are really important. The first about the strategic integration of technology in shaping future perspective in law is the process of incorporating and applying technology in a way that aligns with long-term goals and strategic in legal fields. I know that in today's when integration of technology it's more modern, a lot of people in the profession of law getting worried because how about our profession if any integration technology and then any artificial intelligence, but we have to think that we are as a human, as a user, we can operate the technology. So far we can operate the technology and strategic integration with goodly, with positively. So the strategic integration with give lines with long-term goals such as e-court, such as consultants with electronic consultation, and everything is more easier because we can access an integration of the technology anytime, everywhere. So that's really important. And the second, we're talking about the technology integration, really important because improve efficiently, drive innovation without integration of the technology, it's nothing because we cannot connect with another country, with another parties that really like a stakeholder. It's make it easy. And then support data driven decision making and expands access. So as a someone who have a professional in law, so I think knowledge about the technology integration, how to maintain, how to operate is really important. So because well integrated technology strengthens security, meets a regulation, and improve customer experience and satisfaction. So because when we have a services product in a law, is it very impossible if we not have a injects with strategy integration of the technology, because we can get any client from the other country with a big business and etc. So strategic integration on technology, especially in the strength and security regulation to improve the clients, really important to get experience and satisfaction for client. And then 3 are for the key point regarding the strategic integration of technology in law, which include the transformation of a legal practice, like strengthening and justice system, security, privacy of legal data, and legal education and training. Because in nowadays we get any issue, a lot of issue about the legal data, legal education, and training, because we have Undang-Undang ITE in Indonesia, how to regulation protect us from the privacy data of legal and everything. That's really important, so we can aware about the cybercrime, especially for personal, not only for personal but also for the corporate. So the key point regarding the strategic integration technology in the law perspective are very important. Next. Okay, the transformation of the legal practice. When we're talking about theory, so we have to compare about the practical, how to the practice. So the automation of the routine tasks, like the use of software to automate administrative tasks such as scheduling, document management, and the form filing, very important because in a law perspective, when we have and face of the case, so usually we especially on private law, we can fight with others parties. It's talking about the documents, so awareness about the document management, like from filing, That's really important. And then use in AI, artificial intelligence, in legal research. AI and machine learning used to analyze legal case, such as litigation strategies, sift through a legal document efficiently. Yeah, very efficiently. Even as a personnel and as a user, we have to make sure that the analysis of the from the AI, that's very especially very implementive in our case. So don't just make artificial intelligence as a mind machine, but we are as a person and as a user, we have to make sure, but AI will very help us. And then the virtual consultation platform, like online legal consultation, enable to access to legal services remotely, expanding the reach of the legal services. Yeah, when we face the problem, we face the law cases, or we have a client with a lot of problems, so virtual consultation with a online legal platform, that's really help us to make it easier and efficient in the time for get a problem solved. And then after the transformation of legal practice, we can talking about the how to strengthening the justice system. So this is really a good news, because we have e-filing and e-court, electronic document, and court filing system reduce the legal processing time and increase efficiently. So yeah, I hope in e-filing and e-court will be accessed very easier in all the part of the people of Indonesia, even still on process how to how to every parts of the people very aware with e-filing and e-court. And then about the technology based case management digital, as case management system assist in real time case tracking and administration. And then the data security and privacy in encryption and cybersecurity technology protect legal data and sensitive information from threats and leaks. So yeah, this is very strengthening the justice system in Indonesia. Okay, next. Okay, we can see about the legal data security and privacy, and how to legal education and training give as a problem solve from the legal data security and privacy. So when we're talking about the data encryption, as the use of the encryption technology to protect legal data and personal information from the cyber threats. Yeah, awareness about the cyber crime, about the cyber threats, very important. So the cyber security advance to security system to detect and respond to potential data breach and cyber attack, especially from the user that hasn't good knowledge about the data security and privacy. So the legal education and training very important, like online learning platform. We can find or we can find a lot of online legal education courses, and resorts provide wider access to legal training, and then simulation and virtual reality or VR, because VR is the use of VR simulate courts and a legal situation, providing practical experience to law student. And then the access to legal research and literature, like a digitalization of the legal literature and database, allow easier and faster access to legal material. And next, okay, the challenges and the conclusion. This is the my last This is the my last paper about the challenges and the conclusion. So when we're talking about the integration of the technology in law, also face challenges such as regulatory compliance, protection of privacy and data security, and the needs for training for a legal professional. Overcoming this challenge is important to maximize and benefits of technology. So the conclusion of the challenge is overall the strategic integration of technology in law offers a great opportunity to improve the efficiency, innovation, and quality of legal services and shape the future of the legal profession in a more effective and sustainable way. Okay, next. Okay, thank you for the integration. So I will talk in bahasa. Integrasi teknologi adalah investasi dalam masa depan hukum yang lebih efisien, transparan, dan adil. So integration of technology is investation for the future in law, for the efficient, transparency, and justice. Okay, thank you so much for having me. Once again, I have to say sorry because I can stay online, but see you on the next meeting, on the next moment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semangat pagi.